Everybody, it's Paulie with Slaughter Food Creations, and we're going to get another recipe going here today. We have a creamy poblano sauce, and it's kind of spicy, and I love it. So let's get started. I've got a pan here, and we've got it heated up, and here's what we're working with today: poblano pepper. So anyway, let's get some butter into our saucepan. We're just going to have this on low to medium to low heat, and we're going to get that melted down. So we're going to get this melted down here, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add our red onion, which is about a quarter of a red onion. Like so. We'll start getting that sweated down here. Okay, I've got our onion started, so I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of salt to this. Get that started. And we'll go ahead and get one clove of garlic. So our garlic's in there just to get it started and smelling nice. About 30-45 seconds here. And once we've got that going, I'm going to add in our poblano diced and one serrano. This is for heat, added color of course, and it adds a little bit of flavor as well, but mainly to get a little heat punch. I made stuffed poblano peppers in a previous video, and in that video I cut tops off of poblano, and that's what I'm using the tops here for, and I added another small one as well. But what we'll do is let this go for about 10-15 minutes, get everything marinated nicely and sweated down translucent, and then we will make our finishing touches to the sauce here. Okay, our mix has been going here for a couple minutes, and I'm going to add about a quarter cup of filtered water to it. Help with the process here to get our sauce going. And we'll let that continue to go here for about another 10 minutes or so. I'm on its low heat now. Okay, our mix here has been going for about a little over 10 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off the heat, and I'm going to get it all blended up. Alright, we got our mixture blended, and I'm going to add it, strain it, and put it back through into this pan here. But we'll strain out any lump there. See how pretty and green that is? Super colorful and flavorful. And we're not even done yet. So let me get this strained. Now that I've got our mix strained, you can see it's not got all that residue in there. So it's nice and clean and green. We're going to add some heavy whipping cream to that. It's going to be about 8 ounces or so, if it wants to open up for me. It's being difficult. I'll start with about half of it, get it mixed in there. A little bit more. Like so. And then your favorite plain Greek yogurt. I've got total Valle here. Gonna add about a tablespoon, not the plastic. We'll give that a mix. We'll give it a taste here in a minute to see if we need to add in any more salt, any more of our yogurt. Yogurt adds a nice little tang to it. So I've been letting this go for another minute or so. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a taste. Wow, nice, spicy, creamy. I'm gonna add a little more salt and just another half a tablespoon or so of our Greek yogurt, I think. Get that nicely mixed and incorporated in there. Add another pinch of salt. Oh, that heat is good from the Serrano. I'm going to make sure that's nice and mixed there and reduce the heat some. Alright, as we got our sauce finishing up here, I've got some pasta going over here for our sauce for plating. And to finish our sauce off here, I'm going to add a little flour and filtered water mix here. It's all just to thicken it up, finish it off here, just a little bit of that. Give that a stir. Alright, now our sauce is done, our pasta is done. We can go ahead and plate this up. So, this is warm, but I'm going to use my hands anyway because I'm eating it. So there's our penne pasta. We're going to add some sauce to it. Nice and green, pretty. Also very, very tasty, spicy. A little bit more, why not? Some queso fresco, fresh cheese. And some cilantro. And there you go. Poblano sauce, creamy poblano sauce with queso fresco over penne pasta and some cilantro. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.